You ever feel like something inside you is restless? Like you're living a life that doesn't match the fire inside your chest? That's because you are. You were never meant to just survive. You were built to break limits, to rise, to become something more. This isn't just another motivational video. This is a wake-up call, because the world might have forgotten what you're capable of, but you haven't. And deep down, you know you're built for more. Everyone faces struggle. No one gets to skip the hard parts. It doesn't matter who you are, where you come from, or what you've done. Pain and setbacks are part of the journey. Maybe you've been knocked down by failure. Maybe you've faced rejection that cut deep. Maybe the world told you no so many times, you started to believe it yourself. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Your struggle is not your identity. Your pain is not your destiny. Struggle is the raw material. It's the fire that forges strength. It's the weight that builds your muscle. The question isn't if you'll face struggle, it's what you'll do when you do. Will you stay down, or will you rise? Because the you that's built for more, that you is waiting on the other side of the storm. You've been through storms that tried to break you, but here you are, still standing. That's not luck, that's proof. Proof that you are stronger than you think. Deep inside you, there is a power that no hardship can steal. A power so fierce it's been waiting patiently for you to claim it. You see, strength isn't about never falling. It's about getting back up every single time. It's about knowing that even when the world says you can't, you whisper back, "Watch me." It's about recognizing that your potential isn't something you have to find somewhere outside of you. It's already inside. It's part of who you are. When you finally realize this, everything changes. The fear that held you back begins to lose its grip. The doubts that clouded your mind start to clear. You begin to see yourself the way you were always meant to be seen. Not as broken or defeated, but as a warrior, a creator, a force of nature. You were built for more, because you carry within you the spark of greatness. It's in your resilience, your passion, and your relentless spirit. No one else can live your story, and no one else can unlock your unique power. This is your moment, your time to step into the strength you already possess and move forward with unstoppable force. Knowing you're built for more means nothing unless you act on it. Because power without action is like a fire trapped beneath the ashes. It's there, but it doesn't light up the world. It's time to stop waiting for the right moment, because that moment is now. You have to decide, right here, right now, that you will no longer settle for less than what you deserve. You will no longer be defined by fear, doubt, or the limits others have tried to place on you. You will break those chains. You will shatter the ceiling holding you back. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Every time you choose courage over comfort, you get closer to the life you were built to live. Yes, it will be uncomfortable. Yes, you will face resistance. But that resistance is proof you're on the right path, because growth never happens in ease. Remember, the difference between who you are and who you want to be is what you do. So start today. Start with the smallest action, the tiniest change, and build momentum. The power is in your hands. You were built for more, and now it's time to prove it. Picture the life you're capable of living, not as a distant dream, but as something within your reach. Imagine waking up every day with purpose driving you forward. Imagine breaking through every barrier that once seemed impossible. This isn't some fantasy reserved for others. It's your reality waiting to be claimed. The future you want is waiting for the person who refuses to quit, the person who stands firm in the face of doubt, fear, and uncertainty. That person is you. You're not just built for more. You're built to lead, built to inspire, built to create change that lasts. But it doesn't stop here. This moment right now is the foundation, the spark that ignites a fire. The road ahead will demand even more from you. More courage, more effort, more relentless belief. And you're ready, because every challenge you've faced has prepared you for this. So keep pushing, keep believing, keep moving. Your journey isn't just about reaching a destination. It's about becoming the person you were always meant to be. Challenges are not obstacles meant to stop you. They are the stepping stones to your greatest growth. Every struggle, every setback, every moment that tested your will was preparing you for what's coming next. It's in the hard moments that you discover your true strength, your untapped potential, and your unbreakable spirit. You have already proven you can withstand the storms. Now it's time to lean into the discomfort, to embrace the uncertainty, and to step boldly into the unknown. Because that's where transformation happens. That's where you stop being who you were and start becoming who you were always meant to be. Growth is uncomfortable. It demands sacrifice. It requires you to face fears that whisper, "Stay where it's safe." But greatness, real greatness, lives just beyond that safety. It lives in the place where you choose to keep going, even when it's hard. When you push past the limits you thought you had, you unlock a new level of power. Remember, you were built for more than comfort. You were built for more than playing small. The greatest version of yourself is waiting on the other side of challenge, and every step you take forward brings you closer. Discipline isn't about perfection. It's about showing up day after day, even when motivation fades. It's the daily commitment to your vision that separates those who dream from those who achieve. You don't need to make giant leaps every single day. What you need is consistency. The small choices you make over and over, the moments when you choose to push forward instead of giving up, build an unstoppable momentum. When you combine your inner power with disciplined action, you create a force that no challenge can stop. This is how legacies are built. This is how ordinary people become extraordinary. So, commit right now. Commit to your growth, your dreams, and your purpose. Build habits that honor the person you are becoming. Trust the process, even when results aren't immediate, because every single step brings you closer to the life you were built to live. You are built for more. You were born to rise, to break barriers, and to inspire the world. Now it's time to take that step. This is your moment. Not tomorrow, not next week, but right now. The power to change your life, to rise above your challenges, and to become the person you were built to be is in your hands. No more waiting, no more doubting, no more listening to the voice that says, "You're not enough." You are enough. You are capable. You are stronger than you know. The journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Every step you take forward is a victory. Every time you refuse to quit, you grow stronger. And every time you believe in yourself, you get closer to the greatness you were born to achieve. So stand up. Take a deep breath. Look yourself in the mirror and say, "I am built for more." Then go out and show the world what that means. Your time is now. Don't just watch your life happen. Take control. Your story is waiting to be written. Make it legendary.